gotta get over here, so I'm gonna scooch this. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to dump. That way you can see me doing my couch. I'll scoot you guys over there. Perfect. I say perfect so they know it's perfect. Okay. Yeah, you can see a lot of crap on my couch. That's fine. What are you trying to do? Obviously, she's gonna help him out too. That's what moms do sometimes after surgery. That's okay. Stay with me as long as you're helping. Coming towards you guys. After you. Bam. I just got back here. Alright, guys. Oh, bam. Oh my God. My mouth's like a bam. I can see what you're doing back there. I can see it in the camera. Don't think I can't see you.
Did I say anything?
You still got.
No, I did not.
You're funny.
You must vacuum over here now. Right over here.
Open this. Guys, heads up.
What is that?
I don't know.
A piece of the plastic, just sort of like.
Looks like a brick of it.
It's a piece of the plastic that was around the
This is
air
actually-
conditioner.
It's a piece of thing from our, cause my sister came over. How many years ago was it? She came over to paint our house.
Maybe 3.
3 years ago or something. She came over to paint our walls. As you can see, they're white, cause they weren't white before, but she painted them again. So there we go. Turning around. Alright, let's do this. 1, 2. Okay. Do I need some light?
Oh man.
What?
I don't know if it's you or me.
You took the mirror wax.
No, that's not what I'm talking about. Woo! Woo!
I'm posting this to YouTube.
That is okay.
I'm not gonna move.
We both have atrocious pit odor. Sorry to say.
Gotta go put my clothes in the dirty laundry. I gotta do laundry too.
Yeah, I don't think we have any quarters.
But that's okay. We don't. We just get one week. As you guys see, this is my chore chart. I got 1 sticker on clean room, 1 sticker on vacuum, which will be 2 seconds. Then 1 on the laundry, blah blah blah. This was 3. What? Put the dishes away. I have 1. I never had 1. Put the dishes away means put them in the dishwasher. What? I just making what? I didn't do nothing wrong.
I'm just giving you a wolf tap. Can't I give you a wolf tap?
Oh my God! Look at my. Do you like my hat?
Oh yes, I love it.
Can I put this on the chair real quick?
Yeah. Can't I give you a wolf tap?
Guys, you should always go to Martha's Basket. Make sure you have paper towels and stuff. And ow, you stepped on something really sharp. All around here.
So perhaps you should pass the vacuum back that way again.
Ow. I think it's this. I think it's your fingernail. Ow!
Move it away.
That hurt. That hurt. That hurt. That hurt. That hurt.
I'm sorry. Sorry. Did it like poke a hole in you?
No, oh, pick that up. Before you unplug it. There's another bag. Oh, that hurt. I'll show you. On the heel. Right? Right here, see?
Oh, you poor baby, you. I see it.
Oh. How come you didn't tell me that that was there?
I didn't know it was there.
Go over this one more time, guys. Yeah. Oh, something out there that I previously found in my book. I'm just searching, guys. Looking at something.
Oh.
Two.
I shouldn't have to tell you what I just did. Oh, and it hurt. Oh, did that hurt?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna vacuum it. Try to forget that part.
Did you get what I did?
I just went like that, and yeah.
Something went right there.
Yes, it does. I'll just suck it up. This thing. No, suck it up.
She's a great little vacuumer, but she's yet to be able to maneuver around a wall.
I'm turning around.
I can't see the cord.
Right here. Don't get me. Get everything.
I don't need this now.
What has me making today? No, Judy said has me making today. She's good. I'm doing some vacuuming. I'm doing some chores. I'm cleaning the house a little bit. I'm sure you're cool with all guys. Yeah, she's right here. Hi.
Hello?
Okay, guys.
Ah, I'm feeling better.
I'm
A
gonna
little
go put my
better
sticker on the chart.
today. A little bit, yeah. A little bit better every day. I had cereal.
Okay.
Yep.
That's that. You guys will see me.
Did you?
You guys will see me now for my sticker
I
on my
called.
chart.
I called Andrea today. I mean Angela today.
I'm gonna take
Yeah.
Hi guys, look, I'm playing something. That's up here. Now, I got to mop the kitchen floor, which that'll be my next chore. See you on the next episode. Bye.
I want to see that one.
Say bye.
Bye.
Wish my mom to feel better. Bye, guys.